We started our journey from Purulia of West Bengal on 10th December 2020 in the early morning. We are heading to Mangalajori of Odisha for a birding and to Vedanai for black buck sighting trip. We are 4 in our team. Myself, Chiranjit, Prashanto and Hiralal. All bird photography enthusiasts from Purulia. A short morning tea break. Some morning photography. Again on our way through the beautiful landscape of Chotanagpur Green Plateau. We were to cover about 525 km to reach Mangalajori. It took us 13 hours on road. We reached there in the evening. We started our first day birding on 11 December 2020 in the early morning. Mangalajori is a vast marshy wetland on the northern part of famous Chilika Lake in Khurda district of Odisha. The wetland, apart from its resident birds, attracts wide variety of migratory birds in the winter. Now we are ready with full enthusiasm. Prashanto is ready with his camera, tripod and big bag. In the peak season of migration, bird count of Mangalajori crosses some lakhs. It has been declared an international bird conservation area. Now let's see what's waiting for us. Glossy ibis, grey tigret and pond heron is such a fish. Blue-tailed bee-eater, little grape juvenile, greater painted snipe, grey heron, Grey-headed swamp hen, intermediate egret. Clamorous reed warbler, Brahminicate juvenile, শঙ্খচিল. Asian open-bill stork, শামুক খোল. Citrine wagtail, ruff. Purple heron, bronze-winged jacana. Little cormorant, pankouri. Spotted red shank, wood sandpiper. Temminck stint, grey-headed lapwing, yellow wagtail, yellow bittern, black bittern, a very shy one. A flock of Gargani, Gardwal and northern shoveler. Northern pintail, Gadwal female, northern shoveler. Ruddy shelduck, chokha-chokhi. Fulvous whistling duck, black-tailed godwit, the signature bird of Monglajodi. Monglajodi hosts the maximum number of these birds migrated to this subcontinent. Barn swallow, whiskered tern, spot-billed duck, grey-lag goose, brown-headed gull, black-winged stilt, Australian stilt. Only one pair has come to Monglajodi this year after a long absence for years. Last rays of the setting sun over the wings of Brahminicate. End of day 1. On the second day, we started early in the morning. Today, we wish to capture some action shots of the birds. Monglajodi birds are full of activities. Prashanto has started clicking. Hiralal and Chiranjit all set with their gears. Our first catch was Eurasian hobby, a predator bird of falcon family. For the first time this year, this bird has come to Monglajodi. Action starts. The bottom one is a leucistic northern shoveler, a very rare one. Leucism occurs due to lack of pigmentation in animals and birds. this is the end of our birding trip at Monglajodi wetland. We enjoyed a lot. We learnt a lot. Next morning on the third day, we are heading towards Vetanai, the land of black bucks. It is in Ganjam district of Odisha, about 120 km from Monglajodi. We had Ramesh with us as birding and black buck sighting guide. En route, we started with grey hornbill, black-eared kite, white-bellied sea eagle, an elegant, beautiful predator bird. Seven to 8 km before reaching Vetanai, Ramesh took us by the side of river Baranadi to show us Brahmini kites, Shankhochil. Yes, they were there, hovering above us in the sky. Soon, some action started. A beautiful bird indeed. Then we reached Vetanai. We got some birds there also. Coppersmith burbot, Basanta Bauri, red avadabat, lal munia, spotted owlets with amusing gestures. And black bucks indeed. Beautiful creature. Krishna Shar Horin. Meanwhile, we spotted an golden jackal. As the day comes to an end, this black buck, on its way back to the jungle, stood back for a while, as if to bid us a goodbye. We also wished him well. We are grateful to Mrs. and Mr. Sanjay Behera of Monglajodi for arranging for us a beautiful homestay and delicious home-cooked food. Sanjay also acted the mentor of our entire tour. We got Sadhu Behera, Kalia Behera, Pandav Behera and Ramesh Behera as our birding and black buck guides. We found them incredible in their jobs. We are grateful to them also.